Good morning, everybody. Well, there was a request a while ago to give you a little studio tour. Well, I'm going to do it. It's going to be a little underwhelming because my studio room, as you can see, is literally that. It is a small room, but I thought it might be interesting to show you a bit about how I use the small space. And in case any of the rest of you are working with tiny studios that you need to really maximize. So first of all, most importantly, this is the SS20, well, not spring summer anymore, is it? It's more of the 25 in general inspiration board. So we have some Man Ray, we have some beautiful art, we have some flowers, the essential pomegranate. Well, okay, so behind my door, fabric storage, which I organise in a vague rainbow. The racking. What's in my racking is stock corsetry. So this is almost size 20s, 22s, 24s, you get the idea. Going down to the bottom where we have some more frequently used fabrics and of course the all-important pattern paper. The sail rail of joy, well, the sample rail of joy, really. We've got a lot of mess over here, but these are pieces that I am currently holding because they are examples of pieces that are in stock or they are just gorgeous and ready for photo shoots. We're hiding a few mannequins over here as well. I did have an even bigger mannequin collection. It's currently hiding in my mother-in-law's garage because I just don't have room. This baby is my pride and joy. I'm trying to get far enough away. So, my partner and I built this in October. This is the first time I've had a proper pattern cutting bench. We've got tools that are stored on the side of it. I have rolls of fabric on the bottom. I have works in progress on the middle shelf. We've got the packing supplies here. That's my beautiful branded tissue paper that your orders come in. And a lovely big pattern cutting mat on the top. Sorry, a self-healing. So I can use things like rotary cutters and blades on this and it doesn't scar. This is the beautiful machine that does all of your orders. And I created a bit of a pressing board area rather than an ironing board. I felt like this was a better use of my space. I could turn the light on, couldn't I? That would be fun. Doesn't make much difference. The lovely plan chest that my ex-landlord gave me because he was an architect and he had it going spare. I still love it. I keep meaning to rehabilitate this and paint each of the drawers in a different colour. It has never happened, but it remains an ambition. Going over here, we have more sewing machines. This little baby in the corner is my overlocker. More tool storage. And this is the domestic machine, which you'll see is very different to this, which is an industrial machine. The industrial machine is what I make your corsetry on, but this still comes in for when I want to do things like zigzags, things for lingerie, things for accessories, much more delicate fabrics. That's what I want the heavy-duty domestic machine for. And this is a sneaky little 1950s machine that I absolutely adore. She's so beautiful. Turning around, it goes right up to my enormous ceilings, but yet more storage. We've got boxes, we've got materials, ribbons, many busks and bones. Also, I should have shown you this. This is one of my photography corners. This is where one of my big lights lives. Some empty rolls waiting to go. The other big photography light. I've got yet more hiding in our front room. I have an incredibly patient partner who lets me hide things everywhere. This is where all of my pressing aids live. Well, almost all of them. I've got another one hiding somewhere that's much bigger. And over here, we have lots of folders, which is, oh, and the big saucepan is what I use for dyeing small batches of elastic and lace. Yet more. Oh, the corset on the top there is the one that was featured in Vogue in 2017, shot by Mario Testino. Thank you very much. And yet more boning, yet more folders, yet more fabric down the bottom there. Cheeky little shredder for all your shredding needs. And more patterns hiding up there. So you can see I really have fitted something into every corner. Excuse my beheaded mannequin on the floor. We have 5 more boxes of fabric there. This is, you can see it's a lot to ask of a small space, but we have ended up, every time we've shuffled it round, we've found space to fit something else that makes this more functional. A little ribbon rack hiding on the side of my bookcase. And all I can say is God bless IKEA, because Billy bookcases really are the MVP of this room. And I've actually got quite a nice little view out this window for while I'm sewing your orders. Some beautiful trees. I can spy on my neighbours in their window. Something I should probably tell you is their cat is often visible on their stairs through that window, and it brings me absolute joy just watching him sunning himself on the stairs. Beautiful. So yes, thank you to the person that asked for this. I hope you don't regret it now that you've seen all around.